Is your Android phone crawling to a halt in 2025, making you dread every tap? Don't rush to buy an expensive new device. The shocking secret to a lightning-fast phone might already be in your pocket. Most people assume hardware failure, but often it's just digital clutter holding your Android back, silently draining performance and battery. You can achieve that new phone responsiveness and incredible speed without spending a single cent, instantly boosting your Android's capabilities. We'll dive into the #1 hidden speed trick: ruthlessly deleting forgotten apps that hog precious resources and data. Next, discover how clearing out old, hidden files can instantly free up significant storage, dramatically improving your Android phone's performance. Learn surprising home screen tweaks and crucial device settings optimizations to customize your Android for peak efficiency. Finally, a critical step often overlooked: fine-tuning your privacy options to prevent apps from silently draining power and data. Want your Android to feel brand new again and reclaim its original speed? Follow these simple, free steps. Find all the links and resources you need to implement these game-changing optimizations in the description below, so you can turbocharge your phone today.